Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here is question I get asked a lot. Should I use a VFD or soap starter for my motor? Your supplier says VFD, someone else says soap starter is cheaper and good enough. Both can be right or both can be wrong. Okay, depending on your application. So in the next 5 minutes I will give you the simple difference and a quick way to decide. No formulas, just straight thought. My first point, the core difference. Both devices exist to fix a problem. Starting a motor directly causes a hub current spike 5 to 7 times normal, which shocks the mechanical and dips the supply voltage. A soap starter fixes this by gradually increasing voltage at start, like a dimmer switch slowly tuning a, a light. Okay. Once the motor reaches full speed, a bypass contactor kick and the soap starter steps aside completely. It does nothing during running. Okay. The VFD. A VFD is different. It converts power to DC and back to AC at whenever frequency it chooses, controlling the motor continuously. Not just at start but during running too. Lower frequency means lower speed. This is key. A VFD can change motor speed anytime. A soap starter cannot. So when to use? If your motor always run at one fixed speed, a conveyor, a fixed flow pump, a compressor that loads after starting, a soap starter is the right call. It gives a smooth start, eliminates water hammer in pump. It costs 30 to 50% less than a VFD. Why pay more for speed control if you will never use? Okay. But if your application needs variable speed, a pump or fan where demand changes through the day, HVAC system, process equipment need precise speed, only a VFD can do their job. Next, energy saving truth. Here is the honest part. A soap starter saves zero running energy. It bypassed during operation, so the motor draws same power as the DOL starter. Okay. VFD only save energy if it actually reduce speed. On pump and fans, a small speed reduction cuts power dramatically. Running at 80% speed can use roughly half the energy, but on conveyor or compressor running at full speed all the time, a VFD saves almost nothing on energy. The saving comes from reduced speed, okay, not from owning a VFD. So what is biggest mistake? The most expensive mistake, putting a soap starter on a variable demanding pump when throwing a valve to control flow. The motor still draws full power, you are just wasting it through the valve. A VFD will let the motor run slower and actually save that energy every single hour. So last in decision. So here your quick rule. Need variable speed, VFD. Fixed speed and just need a smooth start, soap starter. Answer. Okay. Pump or fan with changing demand, VFD. For real energy saving. So comment starter and I will give you free decision guide. Okay. If this helps, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.